Thinking about getting a new DJI drone but torn between Air 3S and the Mini 4 Pro? You're not alone. These two drones are among DJI's most popular models right now, but they serve slightly different purposes. Whether you're a beginner looking for portability or a more advanced user chasing cinematic performance, this guide will help you figure out which drone is the better fit for you. Let's break it down. Starting with size and weight, this is where the Mini 4 Pro really shines. At just under 250 grams, it doesn't require registration in many countries, making it ideal for casual flyers, travelers, and beginners who want something that fits in a jacket pocket. The Air 3S is definitely chunkier and heavier, tipping the scales at about 724 grams. It's not difficult to carry, but it's not something you will forget is in your bag either. You will likely need to register it depending on your location, but check your local laws. If lightweight portability is your top priority, the Mini 4 Pro wins this round hands down. Both the drones shoot in 4K 60fps HDR along with other frame rates and resolutions, but there are some key differences. The Mini 4 Pro has a smaller 48-megapixel sensor that delivers excellent video quality. It also supports true vertical shooting thanks to a gimbal that physically rotates 90 degrees, making it perfect for content tailored to social media platforms. You also get 10-bit D-Log-M, which offers more flexibility in post-production. It's a surprisingly capable system packed into such a compact body. The Air 3S features a dual camera setup, a much larger 1-inch CMOS wide-angle camera sensor with 50 megapixels resolution and a 48 megapixels medium telephoto camera with 3x zoom. This gives you much more flexibility, especially for cinematic shots with depth and compression, or if you simply want to zoom into landscapes. While the Air 3S can be used to create vertical video, it doesn't have a dedicated vertical shooting mode since its gimbal doesn't physically rotate like on the Mini 4 Pro. Instead, you will need to manually crop the footage in post-production to achieve vertical framing. However, the Air 3S makes up for this in other areas. Most notably, it can shoot 4K at 120 fps for ultra-smooth, slow-motion footage compared to 4K 100 fps on the Mini 4 Pro. Both drones are capable of capturing excellent quality footage with sharp detail, strong dynamic range, and impressive clarity. But if you're nitpicking and chasing top-tier video quality, the Air 3S pulls ahead. Its larger 1-inch sensor not only offers better dynamic range, but most notably, it excels in low-light shooting scenarios. The Air 3S also tends to produce slightly sharper footage with richer colors and better contrast, and its dual camera lens handles lens flares more gracefully, especially in shots involving direct sunlight. While it's not perfect, it's definitely an improvement. Overall, it's a better looking and more consistent performer, delivering higher quality 4K video in a wider range of conditions. Even though I don't often shoot in low light, knowing that this drone is capable of doing this gives me confidence, and it can be a very valuable tool when the need arises. The Mini 4 Pro can also shoot pretty decent low-light video, especially for its size, but it simply can't compete with the Air 3S due to its smaller sensor. So if your priority is high-end content creation and pro-level results, the Air 3S is a clear winner, but the Mini 4 Pro still delivers impressive results. When it comes to flight time, both are impressive, but the Air 3S pulls ahead slightly. You can get about 45 minutes of flight time on the Air 3S under ideal conditions compared to 34 minutes on the Mini 4 Pro. On the other hand, with the Intelligent Flight Battery Plus, which is sold separately, you can also extend the Mini 4 Pro's flight time to up to 45 minutes, but keep in mind that this battery increases the drone's weight above 250 grams, which may affect registration requirements in some countries. The Air 3S also has stronger motors, better wind resistance, and more stability in challenging environments. It feels more powerful and responsive in the air, which matters if you're flying more in open or unpredictable conditions. The Mini 4 Pro still handles very well, especially for its size, but if you plan on flying in strong wind or need that extra stability for long-range shots, the Air 3S is a better bet. The Mini 4 Pro was a huge step forward for DJI's mini drone line. It comes with full 360-degree obstacle avoidance, which wasn't present on earlier mini models. It's actually excellent at dodging objects and staying safe. The Air 3S also has omnidirectional obstacle avoidance and uses DJI's latest APAS algorithms to reroute intelligently in complex environments. Both drones are very smart when it comes to avoiding crashes, but the Air 3S has a slight edge in more aggressive or complex flying situations. Both drones offer DJI's most popular intelligent flight features: Active Track 360 degrees, Quick Shots, Master Shots, and more. From my own experience using both drones to film e-bike videos, I mostly rely on either automatic or manual tracking modes, and honestly, both drones perform very similarly in real-world conditions. As usual with DJI, the tracking is very reliable overall. Well, you could make a case that the Air 3S, with its stronger motors and better wind resistance, might have a slight edge in tougher environments, but in terms of intelligent flight and subject tracking, both drones are excellent and get the job done well. I also love using quick shots, and I mostly use them in my e-bike videos as well. Whether it's a droney, circle, rocket, or other mode, they add a nice cinematic touch to your footage. The best part is how effortlessly they work. You just press a button and the drone takes care of the rest automatically. Both drones work with a DJI RC2, which has a built-in screen. It's a game changer if you don't want to use your phone while flying. You can also use the RC-N2 controller, which is the more affordable option that requires your smartphone. So in this department, it's basically a tie. Let's talk about some of the less obvious but still important differences between these two drones. The Air 3S is a more capable performer when it comes to raw flight specs. It has a faster maximum ascent and descent speed, a higher maximum horizontal speed, and even a higher takeoff altitude, great for flying in mountainous regions or challenging environments. It also boasts a longer maximum flight distance and longer hover time, which can really come in handy when you're lining up shots or flying further from your takeoff point. Another practical advantage, the Air 3S has significantly more internal storage. That means that if you forget your micro SD card, you've still got enough onboard storage to capture high-quality footage. The Mini 4 Pro has internal storage too, but it's very limited in comparison. These features may not matter to everyone, but if you are particular about performance, range, or just want more breathing room with storage, the Air 3S clearly delivers a more advanced and capable overall package. The Mini 4 Pro starts at a significantly lower price than the Air 3S, especially if you go with a basic kit. It's a great value for hobbyists, travelers, and social media creators. The Air 3S, on the other hand, is a bigger investment, but you're paying for more power, better flight performance, and more creative flexibility. So it really comes down to how serious you are about your drone footage. Here's the bottom line. Choose the Mini 4 Pro if you want something lightweight, easy to travel with, and registration-free. You are a beginner or a casual flyer. Your focus is on portability and solid quality without going overboard. Go for the DJI Air 3S if you want a better camera versatility and dynamic range, you need stronger flight performance for tougher conditions, and you plan to create high-end content and need pro-level results. Both the drones are amazing, but they are designed for slightly different users. Let me know in the comments which drone you're leaning toward, or if you've flown both. What was your experience like? I will drop links to both drones down below, including Fly More combos and other related information. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more drone comparisons, tutorials, and real-world reviews. Catch you in the next one.